Hello, welcome to the channel. In our previous video, we talked about how you can design a form and add features to it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can code behind these two buttons, login and clear. Okay, but before we do that, please subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss out on new video, and then join the Telegram group that is in the description. Also, you can send me photos if you have problems to my Instagram, so you can just go ahead into the description and find my Instagram name and DM to ask any question. Alright, but before that, let's create a form 2 before we go behind the buttons. So to create form 2, we're going to go straight to projects on top here, and then we are going to click on add Windows form here. Alright, so let's make sure it's on Windows form here, and then you can choose to change the name here, but I'm going to leave it to form2.vb, and I'm going to click add. Okay, as you can see, form 2 is ready. So let's try to make some changes here. As we did earlier for the form 1 here, we made it look like a login page. So form 2, we're just going to make it look something different so that you see the real form. Alright, so I'm going to look for label here. Alright, this is label, so I'm going to click here. So I just need one label. So I'm going to change the name right here as text. So I'm going to type thanks for coming. See, there's put up here. Alright, so I'm gonna just do some editing here. So let's go ahead to the fonts. Click here, change to bold, increase the font size a little bit. So we're going to choose 20. Then okay, we'll drag it here a little bit. Yes. Okay, so you can do a few things to it, but this is what we are doing here. So we're going to go back to form 1. So we're going to code behind the login button, and to code behind the login button, we have to first look at the name of this text box. So this is text box 1, as you can see here. It's in here, text box 1, or you can just come down here to see the design name text box 1. Okay, what we are going to do is click on the login button twice. We're going to double click the login. That's what. So let's double click the login button. Yes. So what this is the area in which we are going to code the login button. So you can go back and then check it out. So we're going to click this twice, and then it appears this way. So what we are going to do here is I want you to follow the code very well. Okay, so the first code we're going to type is if text box 1, so as you can see here, dot text so 1 dot text is not equal to. So we're going to make that not equal to. So it's not equal to, then input the username as textbox 1. text box, this text, sorry, is, let's say it's equal to it's equal to admin and text box 2 dot text is not equal to it's not equal to, let's say, password 1 2 3 4 5. Then let there be a message saying, wrong password. Yeah, okay, so another one else, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it down here. Okay, so okay, so we will change this to equal to admin and this is equal to, then message from this. Alright, if all this is not met, else from 2 dot show, we're gonna open this show, sorry, so from 2 dot show, and then from 1 is gonna be me dot hide instead of from 1 dot hide. So the me dot hide means you hide from 1, and then from 2 dot show means you show from 2. So let's go ahead and run this to see how it works. So let's click on start. Okay, so it might take a while. So as you can see, our form has popped up. So we are going to try to put in these codes to see if it works. So our username was admin, and then our password was 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to click login. Yes, so as you can see, it closed from 1 and then opened from 2. Alright, so we are done with this. Our next button is going to be the cancel button. So we are going to code behind the cancel button. As you can see here, we have already finished the login button. When you double click, you see all the codes behind it. So we are going to code behind the clear button. That's our next button. So what we are going to do now is double click the clear button, and as you can see the cursor here saying that we should code at this area. So what we are going to do here is code the clear button in such a way that the both text box will clear when I click on the clear button. So how do we do that? Let's go back to the code. So double click the clear button, and then what we are going to type is text box 1 dot clear, then text box 2 dot clear. So what this does is will clear all the text box that we see there. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it. So I'm going to click on the start button. Alright, so let's key in our details. Password 12345. Let's click on login. Before we click on login, I want us to check how the button clear is working. So let's click on clear. As you can see, all the details are gone. So when we click on login, it says wrong username and password. So when I click on admin, or let me see, type admin and the username and click login, it says wrong password. So as you can see, there's no password here, so I have to type it. So what about if I type in the correct password and type in the wrong admin? Let's see what happens. It says what? Wrong username. So I hope you're following. So let's type in the correct details. So I'm going to type in admin and click on login. Yep, as you can see, it sends us to the next form. So you can just code behind the next form on and on. You can add buttons to this form and then code behind the buttons, and then yeah, you are good to go. So the next thing here is to show you how I'm going to hide the password here. I want to hide the password when I'm typing it. So we're going to go to the properties column and search for use system password char. So let's click on that, and then it's on false, so we're going to choose true. But before that, let's check what I mean by that. So as you can see, I type in the admin here, then I type in the password here. So I want to code the text box in such a way that it doesn't show the password. So that's what we are going to do. So let's close this and go back to the text box of the password. So we're going to click the text box here and then go back to properties and look for use system password char. So let's click on that and choose true. Choose true here. Yes. So let's run the system again and see what happens. So as you can see, I'm going to type in admin, and then I'm going to type in the password. So as you can see, the password doesn't show anymore. So I'm going to click login, and as you can see, it moves to this part of the form. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, like and comment if you like the video, and give me your suggestions in my Instagram. Thank you. Bye.